In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a packing slip in Xero, and we'll do this all in just about 5 minutes. Let's dive right into the process, ensuring clarity every step of the way to make sure you can follow along with ease. First things first, let's get started by logging into your Xero accounting software. You'll want to head over to the Xero login page. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by the familiar login screen. Here, go ahead and enter your email and password. Remember to ensure your details are correct to avoid any login issues, and then hit the login button to continue. If you frequently use Xero, you might even consider saving your login details in a safe and secure manner to make things quicker. Now that you're logged into your dashboard, you'll find yourself on the main landing page of your Xero account. It's generally a good habit to review this area quickly, as it will provide you with an overview of your business's financial situation, but today we're focusing solely on packing slips. We're going to take a look at the top navigation menu. You'll see an option there labelled Business. Click on this to expand the menu options. With the menu expanded, select the Invoices option. This is where you'll be able to manage all your invoicing related tasks. Once you click on Invoices, you'll be taken to the invoicing dashboard, and from here you'll want to select a specific invoice. If you have multiple invoices, it might be helpful to search for the one you need using the search bar or filters Xero provides. With your chosen invoice open, the next step is to click on the Print PDF option. This command is what will allow us to access the documentation necessary for creating a packing slip. After clicking Print PDF, a new menu will appear, providing different types of PDF documents you can generate from the invoice data. It's an important step, so take a moment to double check that you're printing the correct invoice document. From this menu, you'll select the packing slip option. This will instruct Xero to generate a packing slip based on the information contained in the selected invoice. It's a great feature that saves time and ensures accuracy, pulling only relevant details so you don't have to recreate the wheel every time you need a packing slip. Finally, once you've selected packing slip, it will automatically download to your device, typically to your default downloads folder unless you've set it otherwise, and there you have it. A simple and effective way via Xero to generate a packing slip, perfect for managing your inventory, shipments and more. Be sure to keep your generated packing slips organized and accessible, especially if your business manages a lot of orders. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful and straightforward. Happy invoicing!